Good morning and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. I am going to be making something with canned meat. Well, a canned meat product. So, living in the Midwest, there's a very good possibility that you will be trapped in your house at least for 1 or 2 days, if not a week, depending on the weather. So, here I have 2 cans that I often keep in my cabinet just in case that should happen. So I have the roast beef hash, and then I have sausage hash. These can be eaten alone, or you can serve it up with a little biscuit, some eggs. You can treat it just like a breakfast meat or a dinner meat. I say it's a meat product because it's not just meat. There are potatoes mixed into it. And so today I'm going to make a breakfast pizza with these. Alright, so I've washed off the top of the can. I'll open it up, show you what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so it looks kind of gross, to be honest. It looks like dog food. Is that what it looks like to you, dog food? Yeah, so let me get you some more light here. Ooh. Yeah, so it looks a little bit like dog food. I'm going to leave the can here so you can see the can. But I promise you, it tastes really good. So, alright, so let me go ahead and get the pizza part. So I already made a biscuit dough, and I'll show you how to put it together now. I took a little piece of butter, put it on a paper towel, and I rubbed it around the pan. Now, a lot of people just take their whole stick of butter and rub it, but to me that's gross because, I don't know, it just, sometimes you get things on that butter, it sticks in there, and I don't know, I just don't like that. So always take just a little piece of butter and rub. Alright, now I'm going to take my biscuit dough. Now, today I just used that box biscuit dough, Bisquick, and made some biscuits. Alright, so I'm just going to flatten it out with my hand here. And you do want it quite thin. So just push from the center out. Alright. Okay. So you can make the pizza as big as you want. I'm not going to make too big of a pizza. I'm not even going to use all of this. That's why I put it in this bowl. So I could just take what I want and then put the rest up for later. The bowl seals up. Alright, so there we have that. So now I'm going to break this up. Into pieces. And then just like you would a pizza. Except one thing. Alright, ooh, it's still got juice in it. Since I washed the can, I'm going to go ahead and do this. So I don't want to get anything on that part of the pizza, and I'm going to show you why. So you can use a cup if you want. So I know some of you are like, there's potatoes in that. Potatoes don't go on pizza. But you know, originally in Italy, the reason why pizza was made was because pizza was a peasant food. And it was basically, they would make a little bread dough, and they would put whatever the week's leftovers were on this bread dough. And actually, like you know how they have the margarita pizza? That was named after a queen. And her husband did not want her to eat pizza But everywhere she went, she saw people eating pizza. That was in Naples, Italy. And she kept seeing people eating pizza. So what she did was she had one of her servants sneak out and get her some pizza because it looked that good to her. But her husband was like, don't eat that. That's peasant food. Well, peasant food is usually the best food, I think. Don't get me wrong. Some of those fancy foods are really good. But peasant food is good too. Alright, so there we have it right here. And now let me show you the next part. And I'm going to put an egg in the middle of that. That's why I had saved that spot right there. Now you could put vegetables on here, peppers, onions, tomatoes if you like. And sometimes I do. Now I'm going to shred a little bit of cheese on top. Alright, does that look good to you? It looks good to me. Alright, so I'll see you when it's done. My breakfast pizza is ready. So I'm not going to eat this whole pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it into wedges here. Alright, so I got it cut. Now, I'll let you see what the middle looks like. Can you see that? Let me scoot it back a little bit. The light's better. Alright, so that's the way the cross section looks like. Does it look good? It looks good to me. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and serve this up with a side salad. And I know you guys are probably thinking salad with breakfast. I think it's going to be the new trend. I actually read that John Legend has salad for breakfast. So there we go. Breakfast pizza from a can. Who knew? So thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for stopping by.